Like a lot of developers, I spent months grinding LeetCode and still blanking in interviews because I was going through the motions without actually learning to think. I needed a thinking partner, not another solution viewer. So I built LeetVibe, an AI pair programmer in your terminal, powered by Mistral Vibe. One command, three modes: learn, pair, programming, and interview. Let me walk through each one. I'll start with learn mode. I'm in the challenge list. I can filter by difficulty, topic, or search by name. I'll narrow it down to medium problems and pick a topic. This is the challenge detail screen. Problem description on the left, code editor on the right. I'll click Learn with Vibe. Mistral Vibe follows a strict 7-step workflow. It restates the problem, writes and tests a brute force solution, analyses the complexity, finds the key insight, writes the optimal solution, validates it, and closes with a full pattern walkthrough. Every tool call happens live. You can watch it run the code and measure the complexity in real time. Once the session wraps, I can open the session recap and play back the full narration, useful if you want to revisit the explanation without going through the whole session again.
We solved the problem by using a min heap to efficiently manage the drawing process.
Now I'll copy the code Vibe produced straight into the editor. All test cases pass, and the submission goes through, from zero to accepted solution, with a full explanation of every step along the way. Pair programming mode flips it. You write first. Once you hit submit, Vibe takes over. It runs your code, tells you exactly how many test cases pass, then diagnoses the issue by pointing to specific lines. This is the mode that actually builds the skill. Interview mode is different. No tool calls, no step-by-step breakdown, just a conversation. Alex introduces himself, states the problem, and asks for your approach. His opening plays as speech, so the session feels live from the first second.
Hi there, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Today we're looking at avoid flood in the city, which is a medium-level problem. Before you jump into coding, could you walk me through how you'd approach this problem at a high level? Exactly. A flood only happens if a lake rains while it's already...
You answer. He probes. He's making you justify every decision. One small hint if you're stuck, and then he waits. The closest thing to a real interview without being in one. 3 modes. 1 command. A thinking partner that meets you wherever you are. This is LeetVibe.